Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shelley Fishel here, the MS Office Maestro, once again with another top tip. Today's tip is all about something that many people like to do in Word, but never quite sure how to do it. So you've got a document. I've got one which is a report about coffee consumption for Coffee Island, my coffee shop. And I would like to have a header or a footer with things placed on both sides. So for example, I might want my logo on the left and some text on the right. And similarly in the footer, I might want the name of the document on the left and the page numbering on the right, just as an example. Now to do that, what you may not be aware of is you need to line them up in a table. If you try and put them in the header or the footer by themselves, they'll just never do exactly what you want. So first of all, I'm going to double click at the top of the page just to go into the header. It's the quickest way. And I'm given the header and footer ribbon, as you can see. Now I'm going to come to the insert ribbon and I'm going to pop in a table. It's got 2 columns and I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to also come here I'm going to make sure I select the table first, and I'm going to come to borders and choose no border. That means that we can't see it, but what we could do with is to see the grid lines. So we'll go to table layout and view the grid lines. The grid lines don't print, but they do show up on screen for you. So here I've got my table, I've got my grid lines so that I can see what I'm doing, and I'm not going to print those grid lines because we don't want people to see that table. So I'm going to start off in the left column, come to the insert ribbon and choose pictures. And I'm going to go and find my logo. Now my logo is going to be Coffee Island. This is my coffee shop logo. And you'll see that it places itself on the very left of the table cell. And I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. Now you'll see you also get these layout options. So it's come in line with text. That means it behaves as if it's a piece of text. So you can make it move by using the space bar or the keyboard. We can add text wrapping, or we can make it go in front of text, in which case we can then move it wherever we want. So I'm just going to use Control and Z to undo that, to put it back in its table. So there I've got my logo. Over here, I want to have some text. So I'm going to type the name of the shop, the name of the Coffee Island, and the tagline is the best coffee shop in the world. I can dream, can't I? Now, that doesn't look really good like that, so I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control and R to right align it. And because I pressed the Enter key, I turned each of those lines into its own paragraph. I needed to do Control and R again. So now I can come back to headers and footers and close it. And if I go to File and Print Preview, or Print, here we are. I've connected to the printer finally. New machine, lots of issues. And here is my document with my logo on the left and my text on the right. So that's today's top tip, how to line up things in the header or the footer. It will behave exactly the same way in the footer. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like if you really like that. Ring that bell to subscribe, and I'll see you in another tip sometime soon. Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro.